Hey guys, welcome back to the Joe Jaguar Show. Last week we looked at the University Optics HD orthos. Today I think I got something better with a bigger field of view and a bigger eye relief. So let's get to it. Thanks for watching the video, your best friend in science, astronomy, and telescopes. Well, at least I hope one of them. Okay, so I think I got something here better, and these are the Brandon vernonscope EFL. Okay, as you could probably see. Okay, so here you go. So as you can see, the eye relief on these are pretty much, I would say, in line with like a super plossl. They're not extreme big, but they are much better than a lot of the orthos and the ones I showed you last week. These are made in the USA and supposed to be very high quality. The anti-reflection is really nice. From the internet, they praise these very high, if you can find them. So that's what they look like. And the field of view, for me looking through it, looks to be about a 50-52 degree field of view, which is about, again, about the same as a super plossl. So if you think super plossls are okay, well, I'm sure you're gonna like these with the added field of view and the added eye relief. Now, there is one thing that they do have, hopefully I can do it with one hand, is the eye cup actually screws off. So normally, just the eye cups fold down, but here you can twist these off, and then there you go, if you want to get a little bit closer. So that's kind of neat. Normally you don't see eye cups that are screwed on. Okay, so let's talk about them a little bit. I believe I might have the whole set here. I have a 32, a 24, a 16, a 12 millimeter, and a 8 millimeter. So I'm pretty sure that's the whole set. Now, online, I found that they sell these about $250 US, which converts to about $400 Canadian before tax. And there's a lot of great things that they say if you can find them. So I want to check them out and see, are they as good as the forums and online say they are? Just thought I show you these guys before we look at it in a telescope and actually compare it. So let's compare it to let's say the Meade 4000 series super plossl and see, is there a big difference or a little difference? Now with the University Optics against the Meade super plossl 4000, I found those were about 10%. So is the same going to happen here? These do cost about double what the University Optics cost, so I would think are more highly rated, but let's check it out. So anyway, guys, so that's it. It came in a case. It came with caps, of course, for top and bottom. And to me, they look like pretty good quality, and they're very lightweight. So if you're looking for something with good quality, but not so heavy, then let's check these out. Anyway, guys, that's it for now. Hey guys, last time we tested the University Optics against the super plossl, and we found that the University Optics was about 10% roughly better. So instead of the moon, why don't we try Jupiter and take a look again at the super plossl versus then the Brandon eyepiece, which is even supposed to be better than something like the ortho University Optics. according to everybody's, and the price difference. So let's try that out and see if we see this, like, what difference do we get. I'm gonna try to do the same power if I can. Okay, so the good news is with the Brandons, I have a 32 millimeter. You know what, let's take a quick look at the moon first, because a 32 millimeter on Jupiter is gonna be tiny. I don't think we're gonna see any difference. So why don't we try the moon with a 32 millimeter super plossl, then the Brandon, and then when we go higher power, we'll switch over to Jupiter. Okay, with a 32 super plossl, probably fits 2.5 times the moon in this eyepiece. And overall looks sharp. It's almost a full moon. Now, remember guys, today is Monday. Thursday night in 4 days is supposed to be the total lunar eclipse. Okay, so the focusing is, whoa. Hold on, let me see that again. Is good. The Brandon, I don't know, I feel like it's a good difference. Field of view seems like it's pretty much the same, like around 52. I mean, both images are good, but I think the Brandon, it kind of just shocked me a little. I'm gonna look at that little craterlet beside that big crater. Oh, okay, now that I fine focused, wow. You know, I'm gonna say, guys, this is probably at least 20% better than the super plossl. Again, it's hard to justify percentage, but it's not a little bit. The super plossl does pretty good. But something about this Brandon, maybe it's the lenses that they use. It's very fine polished, great coatings maybe. Wow. No, definitely, the Brandon is like, it's a big time difference. I'm just throwing out 20%. It could even be 25%, which is kind of big for an eyepiece. Let's find Jupiter and then pump up the power. I'm actually kind of impressed. I want to see if I can see more planetary detail in it. Okay, Jupiter's really high in the sky. I don't know. Let's see how high I can get this guy. Okay, let's find Jupiter now. Put the diagonal in a good position for me. Really muddy. Okay, there we go. Okay guys, so let's start off with the Meade 12.4 super plossl because I want to get close. I do have a stool, but it's going to get all muddied. Okay. 4 of the moons are on one side right now. I can see the banding. Again, not sure how clear today is or what good seeing is. Looks kind of very hazy and some streaks, some light streaks, but it is what it is. I'm going to take it. You know, next time when I do a comparison, I should really get the EQ6 because of the tracking. One little mistake, I guess. Again, I think I made a mistake by not putting on a driven telescope because now I'm always tweaking it and moving the slow motion controls. Okay, yeah, definitely it's a bit better. I don't know if I can go up too much power. I think this is going to be the highest I can do, which is a 9.7 super plossl. And unfortunately, the Brandon is an 8 millimeter. It's all I could do. I mean, it's a little bit bigger. I believe, yeah, the Brandon is better contrast, better image. I think it's a better eyepiece. Where the university optics compared to the super plossl, I found it to be about 10%. This guy is taking it between 20% and 25%. Now, Jupiter is a bit better, but I mean, I don't know if it was a perfect night, if it could even be bigger difference, but I think that's already a good difference. And that's it. So anyway, guys, so the Brandons are nice. I like how it has a better field of view, like a 52 instead of like a 45. And it's even sharper, has better eye relief. So I believe that would be the clear winner. If you guys can find Brandon's on, I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you guys want to see a video that I don't normally put on the public format, I do have the members video. It's 99 cents a month. It helps the channel grow. Why not join? Why not you? Why not me?